Start with a sphere, pull down his head, push in his temple, carve his eye sockets, add his ear mirrors, add his neck, carve his sternocleidomastoid, draw his nose and shape it. Carve his lips, work his nose, carve the nostrils, then add a sphere for his eye and mirrors. Sculpt his upper eyelids, his lower ones, smooth it, work his brows, carve his cheeks, then model his eyebrows. Now for the most important part, sculpt the mustache, his majestic mustache. Refine the ears, then add a sphere for the base of his hair and another one for the top part. Make him angry by lowering his brows and eyebrows, then continue improving the hair. Duplicate the head, remesh it, move it around to form the torso, push this in for the chest, this up for the clavicle, and this forward for the shoulders. Paint his face, ears, neck, use red for his torso, then some white for the costume design. Paint his mustache, eyebrows, hair, then go for an ocean blue for his eyes. Sculpt this part, refine the bodysuit paint, then make his mustache pretty with more details. With a grease pencil, add in some line arts for his eyes, iris, mustache, eyebrows, a little all over, draw highlights, draw some dark aura, then add shadows. Nice. Add in some lights and appreciate your work. You are beautiful.